I've forgotten half your promises. They're not unkind, just hard to find. Won't get you, girl. I know that I could learn to live without the rest. I found the best, but there's no getting over that rainbow. One of those moments that makes one come true. I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I want less to say without you. But there's no getting over that window. One of those moments that makes one come true. I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I want less to say without you.
Wala na. Hi, OG Bran Bran! How are you, brother OG? Thank you for dropping tayo magbasa. Thank you. Nice singing. Thank you, brother OG. Sis, Mrs. Anton. Sino pa hindi ko nakita? Big Boy Johnny. Hello, Big Boy Johnny TV. Ayun. Sorry, I did not see your earlier message. Big Boy. Feel free to drop a link, okay?
Fall in love on the first night that we met. Together we happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have been hard to face. But lately little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do. But you can't rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. Unfortunately, this is natural for me. I want to pretend to be what I am, have to be. The picture of perfection is only in your mind. For all your expectations, love can never be designed. We either take each other for everything we are, or live the life we made behind and make another start. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free.
Mama Snow! Thank you.
If your eyes need to feed your fantasy, you're really not, so let me go. I must be free. You're really not alone, so let me go. I must be free.
Thank you, Mama Snow. Good to see you too. Thank you so much. Ayan. Yeah!